What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today, as you saw, we're gonna talk about the crypto, Bitcoin, what I expect, what happened, which is not that much, but things are getting pretty interesting. We were consolidating Bitcoin for enough time, more than 2 weeks. I think the move will come pretty soon. We're starting to see a little bit more volatility. So let's look into it and let's look at the chart. Right now we're on the Bitcoin daily chart. And as you can see, we had some pretty strong days. Okay. So again, we are consolidating, yes, just going up and down pretty choppy. We broke this ascending level of resistance, okay, descending level of resistance with a big candle. Then we got a very natural candle and a big rejection of the monthly. More consolidation, as you can see, less volume. So the volume is mostly on a downtrend, except this pretty candle that we had right here, but mostly we're on a downtrend in the volume. Okay, it's not a high volume and it's going on a downtrend. Okay, so we actually just got a pretty interesting move just right now. Okay, like from the last few hours, literally. So what happened a few days ago is that we shot up from this area. We broke this level of the descending resistance, and from, let's say, from here, from the 29,270, we went all the way to 32,000, 32,300 almost. Okay, we broke over the monthly level. Okay, but then try to stay there. We didn't make it. So as you can see, we touched the monthly level, we went back, we went up again, got rejected, and from there we had a touch point here, and in this touch point right here we got rejected. Okay, so we got rejected from this touch point all the way back to the same area that we were consolidating at, to this 29,329, all of this area. We tried to go back up, but it was actually just a flag. It was pretty obvious. You can see I marked it here. It was pretty obvious that we would go back down. We went all the way again to touch the weekly, mounting the weekly. And from there, we had a very nice move up that again touched exactly the same point, wicked into the monthly level. One more time, you can see over here, and if I mark it closely, this specific candle, we wicked, touched the monthly level, which is a very important level, got rejected right away, and from there consolidated a little bit. But as you can see also the RSI, we had a reversal. It was pretty obvious that we are about to get rejected from this level. I am bearish on the crypto for the short term anyway, so every time I see this type of move up, I don't really believe in it. I just say to myself, let's see where it's gonna stop and get rejected. And this is exactly what happened. If you followed me, all my videos so far, I was a bear on crypto, on the market in general, for the short term at least. Long term, of course, I'm a bull. I love crypto, but short term doesn't look so good for me. It looks like a time to wait on the sidelines and wait for opportunity to buy, which is not right now for me. It's very easy to FOMO in and think that's it. Now it's gonna be done. We will start going up. That's it, because you see one day of a few percent up for Bitcoin, but this is not the case. We got rejected right away, and this is happening right now. As you can see, we had 1 hour, very strong hour to the downside with a high volume. You can see the volume was pretty high here for the bears. And again, we are going back exactly to the same old spot. We're going back here, and this is again just a continuation of the consolidation we are having in this area with Bitcoin. So all this time we are just consolidating here in this channel, all going up and down, pretty choppy. That's why the crypto right now, it's very hard to trade. Not really, it's very hard to make money right now, because even if you catch a good trade, it's gonna be just 3, 4, 5% to the upside or the downside. There is not really a lot of money to be made right now in crypto. That's why also the volume is going down, because no one really want to trade it right now, because it's not really worth it. So the volume is coming down on the crypto. Not a lot of people want to trade. A lot of people also are afraid to buy because they're afraid for more downside, which I totally agree with. I see more downside to crypto. I just don't think that right away the Bitcoin will fall. It will fall, consolidate a little bit, and fall again, consolidate a little bit. And to me, the next level is this level between the 20 to the 22,000 area of resistance, of support. I'm sorry. This is where I see Bitcoin going, to those levels. I don't think we're done here. Okay. This is just my point of view, and this is what I think you should expect. I see more downside. Okay. And when this downside will happen, okay, you can either short, okay, you can short coins, you can look for what coins are in a good setup to short, or you can just wait on the sideline. If you don't like shorting, wait on the sideline and wait for a good opportunity to buy. You can wait Bitcoin to go to this area of support, because once it gets here, it doesn't matter if in the future it will go more to the 13 or 15,000, like it's possible for me to happen. This is what one of the scenarios I think gonna happen. But I guarantee you, not a financial advice, but I really, really believe strongly that from this level we will have a bounce. For me, it's like 100%. I don't think that we can just go straight to this. So I think once we touch this, we will have to go to another phase of consolidation, and we'll have to bounce at least back to the level that we are at right now, to the 29,000, to get this touch point as a resistance again. This is what I think can happen. It didn't really happen here. Okay, it didn't. We only got into the 32, and it was actually the other level was 37. Okay, it may happen. We may touch this level again before we go down, but I think that here will be a good opportunity to buy, exactly like here if you bought. So if you started buying altcoins over here in this area, those altcoins, they did for a short amount of time around 100%, 150%, because they went down a lot. They crashed. And the altcoins, I expect another crash. I think the altcoins will go down another 70% on top of what they went down already. And this is going to be a good opportunity. One of the coins that I really recommend to buy is this guy. This is Mana. So Mana USD, Mana USDT. I really like this coin. This is a coin for the metaverse. This is a part of the future. Now it's pretty cheap comparing. You can see it was very high. It was at almost $6. Now it's at 94 cents. I see more downside. I think it's going to go to at least 36 cents, something like this, to this level. This was the last low was 60 cents. I think it's going to go to the 20, 30 cents. This is one coin that I am going to be buying. The second coin that I am going to be buying is Cardano. Cardano, as you can see, also same thing like most altcoins, most coins you will see, if you will look at them in the daily, they went down a lot. Cardano went from the top from more than $3 to now 82% went down already, and there is more to come. Just for you to see, let's say right now we're on 57 cents to one Cardano, to one ADA. Just this small decline, just to around the 18, 20 cents, it's another 63%, which if you look at the chart, it's very possible. It's not that much. If you compare, for example, the last time, from the top of the last time to this area, and you take the same size of a drop from the top, okay, So it puts you in a minus. It's not gonna happen like this, okay? But at least let's say we'll have this size of a drop. It just makes sense when you look at the chart. It just makes sense. It's not that much chart wise, and that's gonna put the ADA, for example, on 20 something cents, which is possible. And this is what I think, this is where I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for a reset on crypto, and this is what I think gonna happen. I think we're gonna have a great crash. If you're not holding coins, it's great for you. This is the best opportunity. This is where we make the most money as investors and traders. Exactly in times like this is the times that I am waiting for. Okay, so this was all about crypto for now. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like. Don't forget. See you on the next one. Bye bye.